Hello everyone, today we will learn to make jumping animation in Scratch. So let's start. I have already chosen the backdrop from here. If you wish to change the backdrop, you can always change from here. And now coming to the point, first we will take the cat to its original position and then we will use this go to block. And if you notice, the cat is moving up suddenly and going down slowly. So change y by 150. So it will go up all of a sudden, but we want to come it down slowly. So for that, what we will do is we will do change y by -10 and we will put it in the repeat block. Repeat 15. So 15 into -10 is -50, and here change y by 150. So you have to balance it out. And now let's try. And now I can connect it with any event block. When space key pressed or when this sprite clicked, it's up to you. Here I am attaching it with when space key pressed. When I am pressing the space, it is jumping.